Oh, sige. Hello! Ay, ang baba!
Ang muchacha mo na katawan din.
Ay, may muchacha!
Muchacha ka ba yun?
Dili babae, muchacha is babae, magana dito.
Okay. Kuya, diri asa na sa...
Asa ka sa front ka?
Oo, kamo diri ka para. Pagtabi mo mo mamzon daw.
Oh, okay.
Ay, sige. Gora muchacha. Hindi kay priority ba? Priority man.
Wala na. Breakfast.
Molotov laksa.
Cascades. Overweight lang.
Kumpa company.
We're here setting up na Veyga. This is the place. Will you go to the water? Makeup by Jan Gomez. Setting up.
Can you by Chan Gomez?
I'm sorry.
Ha? Señorita Sardina. Señorita Sardina. Tinamo kay mga kaliskis. Yeah. The fins. Sardines. Señorita Sardina.
Sila naman.
There's only one day.
Wow, naku sila.
Hatagin mong right hand natin. Sir, can you kiss the right hand of mom? Okay, hold the pose. Nice one. Sir, you kiss na. Okay, ma'am, pwede ang imong left hand, ma'am. Yan na, mo ma'am, para mas nice. Ma'am, imong right foot forward ka. Go na, ma'am. Steady. Nice one. Steady. Okay. Steady ha, steady, ma'am. Steady. Last one ha, last one. Last one, steady, sir. Pwede tagal. Here na lang. Hindi yan ka, mahog ka kayo. Gusto na lang ka sa pool.
Ahok na kung pagyakas sa omen. Sa kanyo. Ulin mo assist niyo dito sa tunga. Kawayo ko ba guys? Ako giwayo ka na niyang duha. Dito gibilin ako. Kaya ko na ko sa skuan. Lagi. Batuwad na alis dito.
Kaya naman may manlimang langoy ya sana.
Uy!
Langoy din eh.
Nabilin.
Akong shot, ma'am.
Narito sa kuan.
Sa video ra, katong video.
Ay, makuha sa kuan. Photoshoot. Magdala ka? Magdalang daw siya. Besh, oh.
Para sa kuya.
Okay na sir. Sir, can you place the table there at the shady part of the
Ay, sino ko ha?
sa ilalim ng side?
Na.
Shady part of the area, sir.
Okay, para dili tini bells.
Ma'am, pwede move down lang imuhang. Kanay mong gikuptan. So, para di siya klaro. Okay.
You're taking a chance on him.
Hindi, ato ba mo? Pero iyan na lang gamay yung face lang para makita gatin sa camera. Okay? Okay na. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, sipot lang, sipot. 1, 2, 3. Then you guys gonna laugh. Smile.
Going for Tupaka Kids para sa horse.
Yeah, ikaw ka, nalilisumpay mo ha? Kabayot.
Ay.
Yeah. Muchacha! Yeah.
Good night.
Good night?
Good night, good evening.
I know ka na sa kuwan ba ka na sa you know. Hola, buenas tardes, amigos, amigas. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Gusto ko itong my name?
Interprete. Mi nombre?
Ay, my number one.
Your name is Juan?
Your name is Juan. Okay, no. It sounds like number.
Mi nombre es Uno. Yeah. Mi nombre es...
My nombre is Scarlett Smith. A horse knowing those times.
Again.
say again. Janelle Director.
Je ne sais quoi.
O, diba? Kaya hola kay hi man na, diba?
Yes.
Hala, buenas tardes kay kunang afternoon.
Yeah.
Buenas tardes amigos de amigas.
Yeah. Colmegas.
Mi nombre es Scarlett Smith. Sa to, representante. Sa to, Spanya. Diba? Spanya bread. Spanish bread.
Best fly for your gift.
Ano daw?
City de España.
Okay.
It's a beautiful city for living there.
Okay.
He's gonna order it in Starbucks.
It's delicious.
Yeah, he has to
Donuts?
learn how to say it.
Pag-alert ba? Yeah, grande.
Yeah, grande. So, tell...
Donuts?
Yeah,
Ang name?
it's a famous drink of Starbucks.
Uno?
Tobolicious, yeah, right? Michelle knows it, the Tobolicious.
Lubilicious naman ako nawaban. Lubilicious.
Yeah, so I'm gonna let
Not in the bench?
I'm gonna
Noon?
I'm gonna let him order it. The Tobolicious.
Kasi wala ko Starbucks doon, kupok kasi na Lubilicious.
Yeah, it's the famous drink.
Ay, pala tayo. Tama ko na lang. Tawa lang ko. First, awas ma.
A very big thank you to this team for being such professionals and a super fun photo and video shoot. Big thanks to Michelle and Donald for coordinating this. To the team Charlie Milan Photography and Team Milan Stories for the photo and video shoot. Sir Charlie, thank you so much. My hair and makeup artist, Jan Gomez, oh my gosh, thank you. And my beshi, Scarlett Smith. And to both of our moms, Emma and Jenny, I hope you guys enjoyed this photo and video shoot. Please watch the final video on my YouTube channel.
be there for you. Please like and subscribe. Babu, see you later.